Here's how to set up the device. We have 3 separate boxes. This one is a Raspberry Pi with a display. This is an Arduino, and this one is the Aware Electronics radiation sensor. So we'll hook them up in this sequence. First, we hook up the Aware electronics sensor to Arduino, and then we'll hook up the Arduino to the Raspberry Pi. Any USB port will work, and finally we'll supply power to the Raspberry Pi and it'll boot up. So let's pause. So now everything's hooked up. We're just ready to power up the Raspberry Pi. Okay, so when Raspberry Pi powers up, it'll take some time to actually boot up the system because it's running a Linux operating system. It'll take some time. So you see some startup message, and after that it should show you a blank screen. This is basically just collecting random numbers at the moment because we don't have any radiation source on the detector. It takes roughly 45 seconds for background radiation to be able to generate one random number. Let's see what happens when we place a radiation source on top. It should help producing a random number a little more quickly then. Okay, as we can see, we have just generated one random number using background radiation. And here I have in the bag a very weak radiation source. So let's place this on top of the detector and see how quickly it will generate random numbers for us. There we go. Roughly one number per second. Alright, so this is just how to set up the system. It's pretty simple. You just hook up the wires and power up the Raspberry Pi. Thanks.